Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to build a roof real quickly in MSCAD on pre-existing walls. You can see here I have a group of walls set out just to be the shape of a random building here. I'm going to go to the Draw 3D tab, and on the right hand side I'm going to click on a roof. Now what I'm going to do is trace the top of my exterior walls that I've built here. And as I go ahead and trace them, you'll see it's going to go ahead and build me a roof as I click through it. Once I'm done clicking through all the corners on my roof, you can see I have a completed roof here, and if I just orbit a bit, you can see what it looks like. And just like that, the roof's done. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. And if you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and like this video. And if you have any comments on what video you'd like next, just leave them in the comments down below. As always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.